Hello, ASVAB warriors. Welcome to your arithmetic reasoning class. I'm your coach Shubham, and today we are going to discuss a very important topic from the arithmetic reasoning, which is called as percentages. Now, to get hold of that topic, we will try to solve more number of practice questions. Now, we have here one practice question from our platform, which is ASVAB warriors. We will try to solve that question. Now, question 1 says, Ethan has a coupon of 15% off on one pair of shoes. He has a coupon which says 15% off on one pair of shoes. And shoes he wants to purchase cost $65 each. And he wants to buy 3 pairs of those shoes. How much does he pay after applying the coupon? Now, first, we will find out what is the cost of 3 pair of shoes when each pair costs $65. How to do that? Simply multiply $65 by number of pairs. So 65 into 3. How to do that? 3 5s are 50, 5 carry 1, 6 3s are 18, plus 1 is 19. So what is the total cost of 3 pairs of shoes? It is $195. Now at $195, he is going to get 15% off because he has a coupon. So we need to calculate 15% of 195. 15% of 195. How to do that? So 15% is nothing but 15 out of 100 or 15 over 100. And when we multiply this ratio with the total cost, which is 195, we will get 15% of 195. How to do this calculation? We'll reduce the ratio 15 by 100. So divide it by 5. 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are 10, and 0 as it is 3 by 20. Now again, this 20 and 195 can be reduced by dividing it with 5. So 5 4s are 20, and here 5 3s are 15, balance 4. 5 9s are 45. So what is remaining? 3 into 39 divided by 4. What is 3 into 39? 3 9s are 27. Carry 2. 3 3s are 9 plus 2 is 11. 117 by 4. Divide 117 by 4. 4 2s are 8. Balance 3. 4 9s are 36. Balance 1. Decimal point. 4 2s are 10. Balance 2, and 4 5s are 20. So 29.25 is the answer. So 15% of 195 is 29.25. Now this is nothing but the discount. So discount should be subtracted from the total cost, which is 195. We will subtract 29.25 from 195. 195 we can write it as 0.00, right? 0 doesn't make any difference. So how to do this subtraction? 0, like 5 can't be subtracted from 0. So we will borrow 1. Now 10 minus 5 is 5. Now the borrowed number is returned. Again 0 can't be like 2 can't be subtracted from 0. Again borrow 1. So 10 minus 3 is 7. Decimal point as it is. Now borrowed number is returned here. Again borrow 1. 15 minus 10 is 5. Again borrowed number is returned. 9 minus 3 is 6, and 1 as it is. So we get our answer. Now total he needs to pay $165.75. So which option is correct? Option B is the correct answer. Again, moving on to our next question. So question number 30. Here is our next question, which says, a teacher earns 40K salary per year, $40,000 salary per year. If 20% of her salary is deducted for taxes and other deduction, how much is her net pay? Now the teacher is getting $40,000 per month, but 20% is deducted at source. How to do that? Now we first need to calculate 20% of $40,000 and we will subtract that 20% from 40K. How to do? As we have seen, 20% is nothing but 20 out of 100. And when we multiply it with $40,000, which is the total salary, we will get our answer, which is 20%. So this zero gets cancelled out with these two zeros. What is remaining? 400 into 20. So 2 4s are 8 and 3 0 as it is. So $8,000 are deducted at source. We will subtract those $8,000 from total salary, which is 40,000. So $40,000 minus $8,000. Such easy calculation, which is $32,000. So after the deduction, the teacher is gonna get $32,000 of salary. Now there is one more method, or we can say faster or shortcut method to solve this question. How to do that? We know that 20% is deducted. Like total is 100%. 100% is $40,000. Now 20% is deducted. How much is remaining? 100% minus 20% is 80% is remaining. What is 80%? 80% is nothing but 80 out of 100, or we can say 0.8. Right? If you reduce this fraction, you will get 0.8. Now 0.8 of what? Total salary, which is $40,000. When we do this multiplication, we will get our answer. 8 4s are 32, and these 4 zeros as it is. And decimal point is after one digit from the right hand side. So decimal point will come somewhere here. So this 0 means nothing. So we get our answer as $32,000. Same as this case. So it is a shorter or simpler method. Now moving on to our next question. Now the question says, the price of a protein bar increased from $2.5 to $2.8. What was the percentage increase? Now we have been given that the price of a protein bar is increased from $2.5 to $2.8, and we need to calculate the percentage increase. Now, what is the increment in terms of dollars? Which is very easy. 2.80 minus 2.50. This is nothing but 0. 8 minus 5 is 3. 0.3. So in dollars term, the increase in the price is $0.3, or we can say 30 cents. Now we need to calculate the percentage terms. Now, one thing you need to remember, when you are calculating the percentage increase, it is always on the initial price. What was the initial price? The increment will be on that price. So initial price was 2.5. So 2.50 was the original price. And the increment is $0.30. So we will write $0.30 on $2.5. Now what is percentage increase? Simply we will multiply this ratio with 100 as our previous cases. And when we solve this, we will get our answer. How to do that? Now we will try to cancel out these decimal points. To do that, we will multiply by 100 numerator and denominator as well. We will get 30 divided by 250 into 100 as it is. Now this 0 gets cancelled out with this 0. Again, we can divide both 25 and 10 by 5. So 5 5s are 25. 5 2s are 10. 30 into 2 is 60 divided by 5. What is 60 divided by 5? It is nothing but 12. So percentage increase will be 12 or 12%. Which option is correct? Here, option number 4 is correct, which is 12%. Now, we'll move on to our next question. The question says, a taxi driver earns an average tip of 15%. A taxi driver earns an average tip of 15% of the total fare from each ride. If the total fare for a ride is $50, how much money in tips will the taxi driver earns on average? Now, the taxi driver makes 15% on each ride, and the total fare of the ride was $50. Very simple question. We need to calculate the 15% of total fare, which is 50. What is the 15% of 50. And now we know 50% is nothing but 50 divided by 100. 50 over 100. And we will multiply it by 50 because we need to calculate how much out of 50. Now solving this 0 gets cancelled out. With this 0, 15 5s are 75 and 10 as it is. What is 75 divided by 10? It is nothing but $7.5. Now he will make $7.5 as a tip. Which option is correct? Option B or option number 2 is correct.